Do you know the secret? The difference between the virtual and real world lies only in the details. Every day, we outpace the market by creating things that are impossible to achieve. For others, we combine technologies, starting from printing gigantic objects using advanced industrial robots, to artistically finishing them down to the millimeter. We extract excellence from every project, from the smallest details to monumental structures. Our precision is unbeatable. We aspire not only to create innovative solutions, but also to take care of the environment. Our technology allows us to transform secondary materials into new functional objects, thereby reducing waste and supporting environmental protection. Our technological revolution, based on 3D printing, scanning, and advanced industrial robots, is transforming various industries: medicine, architecture, entertainment, industrial solutions. Wherever precision and flexibility are needed, we set ambitious goals and achieve incredible results. And with our range of hyper-realistic 3D scanning solutions, we provide the gateway between the real and digital world. Discover the power of 3D technology with Wolf Group, where revolutionary engineering, supported by innovative solutions, enables the creation of extraordinary things. Create a future that inspires. Wolf Group. Future Applied.